tell if you get a little too deep. Gus or not?
Sure, if you want to, because it's still alive.
Okay. When you're cutting, you want to be down into the leaves. You can cut. You can feel it as it cuts. You will have a few fugitives that will have to be picked up later on. If you cut too deep and have to move this, you're probably getting in a little too into the woody, but you want to get just right on the edge. You'll feel it. That's a little too deep. You come up, you can feel it cut.
Good.
You'll be able to tell the tension on it. That's how you really cut. These fugitives are really bad on it.